Believe it or not, this rundown, dilapidated cottage here that looks like it hasn't been lived in years, and it hasn't been, because I've never seen anybody here. Believe it or not, you go in there, it's pretty scary in there, you know, everything like that. But believe it or not, there's still power going to it. Wow. Nobody's lived here for decades, and yet it's still got power going to it. I wonder what the story behind that is. See, obviously we don't have much going on inside here. We got an old stereo.
There's some records there.
Yeah, we got old records.
Dictionary collection.
We've got inside here some books that haven't been used in a while. We got
Let's focus on this, Jason.
and we've got
Jason.
things here. Just wait a minute. Okay, I want to see here. I got, well, this room you could probably sleep in. Yeah, it looks like this has been
Somebody that camped in there.
preserved for a while here.
It's the best room in the house.
Yeah, it looks like this one you could probably still sleep in here.
Jesus photos.
Yeah,
Quite
that's kind of
inspiring.
inspiring and yet bizarre at the same time.
Okay.
I think I should breathe that in. That's
Yeah,
black
we got
mold.
holes
I
in
will
the
die.
ceiling.
You won't die,
A
Nicole.
voodoo doll over here. A little altar to Baal. Baal worshippers.
I want to be here.
We got here.
Thanks for coming.
And we've got, oh, somebody left their tools here. And we've got things there.
We have a demonized
We got the freaking stove and fridge and slightly modern microwave. So obviously it's been used.
some jackass lived here,
You know,
but that bad
stuff here falling.
before we get out of here.
Nature claiming its way there. And
Take a 20-minute nap in the bed.
you could do that.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody left in a hurry here and didn't take nothing with them. Happy Father's Day. Father's no longer with us. But we do have a clock that stopped at, it stopped at 8 o'clock.
On the dog.
Yeah,
Creepy.
yeah. But of course we go back to the fact that this is the most damaged room in the house, it looks
I
like.
think that is, there might be a body.
Yeah.
Decomposed.
Jason Voorhees, maybe. Because up top there, it just keeps coming down.
Someone gave up.
Yeah, here's where,
Yes, there's a nice mirror.
yeah, in here.
You take it
No,
down.
you could take it, but I wouldn't count on it
You
flushing.
wouldn't want to wipe.
So of course, this is the way in. And believe it or not, still has power. For what reason?